In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel TurboTax Deluxe. Whether you finished your tax journey with TurboTax or decided to try a different service, knowing how to cancel your subscription is essential. So let's walk through the steps together to make sure you can do this smoothly and without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to head over to the TurboTax online website for the current tax year, which in our case is 2025. You can easily find this by going to their website and logging into your account. Once you're there, take a moment to ensure that you're logged into the correct account, as this will save you any confusion later on. Now that you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see your name or account icon. Click on that and it will take you to your Intuit account dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as it houses your account information and settings. After reaching your Intuit account, the next step is to locate the section labeled Manage Subscription. This option might be right there on the main page, or you might need to navigate a bit through the menu options. Clicking on Manage Subscription will bring you to a page where you can handle everything related to your TurboTax services. Once you're on the subscription management page, you should see a list of all your active products. Find the one labeled TurboTax Deluxe. It's important to make sure that you're selecting the correct version, as you might have other services linked to your account. If you see Deluxe listed, this confirms you're in the right place to cancel it. Now, here comes the crucial part. Click on TurboTax Deluxe and you'll typically find a range of options, including one to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts provided on the screen. There might be a few additional steps or confirmations required, as they want to ensure that you're certain about canceling. It's a good idea to read any information they provide during this process, as it might include details about what happens after cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of canceling your TurboTax Deluxe subscription. Remember, if you ever decide to return to TurboTax, you can always reactivate your subscription by following similar steps, but instead choosing to restart the service. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you run into any issues or have questions, TurboTax's customer support is always a good resource. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.